welcome to Shopping with Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Meijer must-do deals video for you that starts on April 17th and goes to the 23rd of 2022. Guys, we have a buy 10 for 10 sale going on, get the 11th item free, which is my favorite sale. But I gotta tell you, there's not a ton of matchups on this, but we do still have several really great deals. So before we get going, if you really like to see Meijer videos and you want to keep seeing them, you need to do two things. You need to hit that thumbs up button right now, and you need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss these videos when they come out. And let's see what's happening here at Meijer. All right, so we have first and foremost the Butterfinger Candy Bar. It's regularly priced 99 cents. You will pay that out of pocket, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on one. It's a limit of one time, so your final cost just 74 cents. But if you're working towards your bonuses, as we all are working towards that big giant blossom bonus, this may be a great one to throw into the mix. Okay, guys, so this deal, I've got to be honest, I am more familiar with Kroger. That's my main thing that I do. Meijer sometimes throws me for a loop because I'm not 100% sure how this will come out in the mix. So if you know, please put it down in the comments below. So the deal is you want to grab two of the Maybelline Baby Lips. They're regularly priced $3.66. This week, when you buy two mascara or lip products, you're going to get $5 off instantly. So $5 should come off instantly. Plus, there is a 20% off two in perk. Now, depending on where that 20% comes off of, if it comes off of the $3.66, your price will be 86 cents total or 43 cents each. If it comes off of the price after the $5 instantly, it will be $1.85 total or 93 cents each. And that's honestly what I think will probably happen. So I don't know. So if you've done this deal or you know which one it would be, please list it in the comments below. But it does make a pretty big difference in the price there. You're going to save about 99 cents if it is the better way. So hopefully that is the way. But let me know in the comments if you're going to do this deal or if you've done this deal or you just know for a fact which way it'll go. Leave the comment below. All right, next deal is a really great deal. These Poise Ultra Thin Pads, they're regularly priced $5.89. We have a 3 off 1 in perk. Use that out of pocket, pay $2.89. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta for a 2 back on 1. It is a limit of 3 times, but your final cost for one of these would be just 89 cents, which is a really great price for this. Okay, this next deal is possibly super confusing, and it is a kind of a bit of a run deal because of the Ibotta rebate on the Axe. So check your Axe Ibotta rebate before you do this deal to make sure it's still available to you. So let me kind of put it together for you. Basically, there is a sale going on for Axe, Degree, or Suave personal care products. Buy two, get one free. And I've got a couple of matchups to go. So this deal would be really hot if you've got all the coupons and all your stars aligned. So grab 3 of the Degree women's deodorants. These are regularly priced $5.19. Grab 2 of the Suave pink shampoo and conditioners, regularly priced $5.29. You can actually see the picture there on the left. Then grab 1 of the Axe deodorants that's regularly priced $5.39 and 1 of the Axe body sprays that's regularly priced $5.99. Your total is $37.53. Now, the sale is buy two, get one free. So it should take the 2 cheapest products off, which would be the 2 of the Degree women's deodorants that are $5.19. So that's a total of $10.38. There's also a $3 off 1 Degree in perk. That should go on the one that is not free. You have a buy one, get one Suave in perk. So it's going to take another $5.29 off. And then if you have the buy one, get one Axe from Save for $10, it's going to take off the body spray. So what it is basically you get a free Axe body spray when you buy 1 Axe product. So the deodorant is what you would pay for and the body spray would be free. Okay, so out of pocket after all that comes off would be $12.87 plus whatever kind of tax you'd have to pay. Then you can start submitting to Ibotta. Ibotta has 2 back on 1 for the Degree. It's up to 5 times. You'll get $6 back there. Submit to Ibotta for the $1 off 1 for the Axe. It is both for the deodorant and the body spray. So you're going to get $2 more back there. And then submit to Fetch for 1,500 points. It's a limit of 5 times, and you can do it twice or 5 times in a transaction. So you're going to get back actually 3,000 points, which is basically $3. So your final cost is going to be $1.87 total, or just 27 cents each. So this is a really, really good deal. My big problem is I don't actually get insert coupons anymore. I've quit getting them. Sometimes I will get the Smart Source ones in a free paper that ends up on my driveway. But for the most part, I don't get the insert ones. I just don't pay for them. And it's not normally a problem, but every once in a while I'll have a deal like this that's kind of a bummer. So I'm going to show you a deal that I may do that doesn't require doing the Axe. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about putting together. Grabbing 2 of the Degree women's deodorants that are regularly priced $5.19 and 2 of the Suave pink shampoo and conditioners. These are regularly priced $5.29. So that total is $20.96. Buy 2, get 1 free. You're going to have $5.19 come off for one of those women's deodorants. There's also the 3 off 1 Degree in perk, so I'm going to use that. And there is the buy 1, get 1 Suave in perk. So out of pocket, it's going to be $7.48. We can then submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. You're going to get $4 back, making the final cost just $3.48 total, or final cost of 87 cents each, which is still a really good deal. Not quite as good of deal in the last slide, but still a really, really great deal. All right, guys, if you are not familiar with Ibotta, it's brand new to you, you need to sign up today. Go to the description box below. I have a link as well as a referral code for you to sign up. Sign up using my referral code. You get a bonus extra money. We get to work together on a team. It's all these great things. Ibotta is my favorite rebate app to use, and you need to make sure if you are couponing at all, you need to be doing rebate apps, because that is the way the world works and the way couponing works now. And this is how we're getting money makers and freebies with these rebate apps. So make sure you sign up for Ibotta. It is my absolute favorite one, and use my referral code. All right, next deal we have here is the McCain Quick Cook products, like the French fries there. They're regularly priced $3.49. We have $1.50 off 1 in perk. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $1.99, but check your Fetch or submit to Fetch for 750 points. It's up to 4 times, making that final cost for at least 1 bag of fries there just $8.24. Really, really great deal. And if you're not familiar with Fetch, this is my second favorite rebate app, and probably the easiest one. All you have to do is scan your receipt. They're going to give you points that turns into just money back. Basically, you're going to get gift cards back. And so if you are not signed up for Fetch, do that today. Again, use my referral code. It's down in the description box as well as here on the screen to sign up, and it's well worth it. And again, I'm not going to try to sell this too much to you, but you have to be doing rebate apps. And if you're weary about doing rebate apps, Ibotta and Fetch are the first 2 I would tell you to sign up for over any of the other ones. All right, let's talk about another deal here. The Q-Tex Nail Polish Remover Twist and Scrub Sponge. These are regularly priced $1.79, and we have $1.50 off 1 in perk. So your final cost is just 29 cents. This is a really, really great deal. I love this one. Next deal is the P.F. Chang's Home Menus Cooking Sauce. So these are regularly priced $2.99. We have $1.50 off 1 in perk, making that final cost just $1.49. I've actually never tried these products. Let me know in the comments if there is one you like the best. We also have a P.F. Chang's Home Menu Hot Sauce deal going on. So these are regularly priced $2.99 as well. And there is a different $1.50 off 1 in perk. So your final cost would be $1.49. So you kind of have a bit of a meal there if you get both of these. So you get 2 for the price of 1, basically, since they're regularly priced at $2.99. Great deal here. Next deal we have is the Mush Ready to Eat Oats 5 ounce. Now these are regularly priced $2.49, but if this is a product you'd like to get, stock up this week because we have $1 off 1 each in perk. And if you're not familiar with that, that basically means that if you put 4 in your cart, you're going to get $4 off. So $1 off per product. If you put 10 in your cart, you're going to get $1 off each It's really awesome. Those each Imperks. Now, they're not all Imperks. They're rare Imperks, but we do have one here, making your final cost just $1.49 each. So great deal on these. We also have a deal on the CLR Everyday Cleaner 22 ounce. It's regularly priced $2.49. It took me a while to actually find the price in my store for this. There is a 50-cent off one in perk. So out of pocket, you would pay $1.99, but then go ahead and submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. It's limited 2 times. I think some people are seeing these for $1 back on one. So final cost for me would be $1.24, but it could be just 99 cents for you. So double check your Ibotta rebate and see what you have. Next we have is the Silk Next Milk 59 ounce. It's regularly priced $4.69, and this is actually going to be a better deal than Kroger, which I found kind of interesting. So these are $1.70, or sorry, we have $1.75 off one in perk. Out of pocket is going to be $2.94, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on one. It's limited 3 times, but final cost is 94 cents. And if you're not familiar, the Kroger deal is going to be 99 cents, so not a huge savings there. But either way, it's cheaper. And if you're going to Meijer and to Kroger, you might as well get the better deal at Meijer. Okay guys, so we have a 10 for 10 sale happening. Get the 11th item free. So all of these products are going to be either on sale or regularly priced just $1. But when you get up to 10 of these items, you might as well grab one more because you're going to get that item free, which is a really great deal. Now, just to caution you, if there is an in perk on these particular products, you want to make sure that you ring them up earlier in your transaction and don't make them the 11th free item, because if they bring up as the 11th free item, the in-perk will not work. So just take note of that, and let's see how we can put together some of these deals. Okay, so the first one we have here is the Meijer sandwich bags 40 count. These are regularly priced $1.69. They're part of the 10 for 10 get the 11th item free. Plus we have a 50% off in perk. So your final cost for one of these is just 50 cents. And like I said, for this one, you would want to make sure that you ring it up at the beginning and not as the 11th item, so it doesn't ring up as free. So you get that 50% or 50% off and make it 50 cents. Really, really great deal here. Next, we have a deal. Now, it's kind of a big deal, and this is really for pickup and delivery only. So if you're doing a pickup deal or delivery deal only, then I recommend doing this. Obviously, if you are going in store, you cannot use this digital. So let me talk about the deal. Buy 33 of the True Goodness organic baby food pouches. Now, this is definitely a stock up deal for you. They're regularly priced $1.19, but again, they're going to be $1 each with the 10 for 10, get the 11th item free. So out of those 33, 3 of them will be free because you got up to 30. Or every 10, I should say. And then you want to use the 5 off 20 baby toddler food in perk for pickup and delivery only. So your final cost is going to be just $25 total, or 76 cents each. So instead of paying $1.19 each, you're just paying 76 cents each. So not a bad deal there, but again, you have to make sure you're going to do this as a pickup or a delivery only deal. All right, I'm really excited about this deal. The Snapple Diet or Zero Sugar, just the single bottles, they're regularly priced $1.19, but they're part of the 10 for 10, get the 11th item free. Now, you do have to make sure you grab the Diet Snapple or the Zero Sugar ones, okay? So you'll pay $1 each, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is 50 cents each. Now, if you happen to ring these up as the 11th item free, it will not matter because the Ibotta rebate you'll still get back even on a free item. So this one can be at any point in the transaction. All right, so here's just a couple of good deals I think that are part of it. The Banquet Pot Pies are regularly priced $1.09. They're part of the 10 for 10, get the 11th item free. So the final cost will be $1 each. My dad is obsessed with these. My kids love the breakfast ones, the sausage and gravy ones. And so I tend to stock up on these when I can get them for under $1. And if I grab up to 11 of them, it will equal out to be less than $1. I didn't do the math. I probably should have done the math there, but it'll be less than $1 each. Really great deal. Great things just to have in your freezer as a stock up. And I know, like with my son, he's 13. Sometimes like on, especially Thursday nights, I take my daughter to basketball practice and I let him stay home and he's got a fixed dinner. He can grab one of these out of the freezer and put it in the microwave and heat it up, and he's made himself dinner and I haven't had to stress out, and it's super easy. So this is a really great grab and go kind of thing and easy for kids to fix. So I highly recommend these, especially when they're on a good sale. Okay, so my Diet Coke is not looking like it's a part of it. It's kind of funny. If you actually go onto Meijer.com and you look up the items that are participating in the 10 for 10, it does show all of these 2 liters, including Diet Coke and Pepsi and things like that. However, it is not showing the buy 10 for 10 that you see in these 2 pictures for the A&W and the 7-Up. But it is showing up under those products that should be participating. So it's kind of a weird situation. Maybe it was supposed to be participating, and because prices have gone up, they just took it off. I'm not real sure. But anyway, grab your A&W and 7-Up 2 liters this week. They're regularly priced $1.59 to $2.09. They're part of the 10 for 10, get the 11th item free, making them either just $1 each or a little bit less than that if you get up to 11 of them. Really, really great deal here on 2 liters. Hey, and I would stock up. If these are your sodas, stock up, guys, because the prices are ridiculous and they're going to continue to go up. This may be the last time we see these for just $1. Okay guys, that's all I have for you at Meijer. If you're excited about all the deals that are happening at Meijer, please give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and hit all. And you know, I love doing these Meijer videos. I don't get as big of a reaction as I do Kroger, but if you keep leaving comments and giving thumbs up, this will continue to go out there and I can keep doing these. Have a great week, guys. Bye.